Hello my dear students, today we are going to discuss a new chapter in standard 9 and its name is climate. So we have already discussed about the drainage, about the landforms, and in this chapter we will learn the climate. So as we know that in different months such as December, January, we used to wear the woolen clothes, and in the month of June, in the month of May, in the month of April, we use generally cotton clothes. So why such situation creates in the economy or in our country? So it happens due to climatic changes takes place in the country, and due to that we use all these things. So in this chapter we will learn about the different kinds of climate, weather changes, etc. Okay, now first of all there are some definition, so you must know about it. First, what is the climate? So it refers to the sum total of weather conditions and variations over a age of a long period of time. So long period of time means what? So it must be more than 30 years. So climate is also known as the monsoon. So in our country we use the term monsoon in place of climate. Second is the weather. So it refers to the state of the atmosphere over an area at any point of time. So what is the basic difference between climate and weather? So here we find that in case of climate, it is related to a long period of time, whereas weather is related to point of time, means very a small time. Next is the rain shadow. So what is rain shadow? So rain shadow is the side of the mountain which does not get rain is known as the rain shadow. So many times you have noticed during the rainy season that the clouds are lying on the mountain. So it indicates that it is a kind of collection of cloud in a particular areas, and basically on the mountainous areas. So that collection of clouds creates the rain shadow. Next is the extreme climate. So here the term is extreme. Extreme means too much or enough. So extreme basically we use in case of negative sense. So what is extreme climate? The climate in which the summer is extremely hot and winter is quite cold. It is known as extreme climate. Extreme climate basically found in our country in the region of Rajasthan and southwest Punjab. Now, annual range of temperature. Okay, so here the term is annually, not the monthly or the weekly. So annual range of temperature, what is this? So the difference between the maximum and minimum recorded temperature of a particular area in a particular period of time, it is called the annual range of temperature. Next is the precipitation. So precipitation, basically we know that falling of rainfall. So rainfall is different and precipitation is different. So that's why you must know the precipitation. So it is the process by which the condensed water from the cloud falls in the form of sleet, hails or snowfall. So here the falling of water is less, but hail is falling a lot. snow is falling a lot. Clear? Next is the cloud drops. So cloud drop means very large drop of water. Okay, that is known as cloud drops. So you can say the condensation of water vapor into water drop is called cloud drops. It is also known as rainfall. Clear? So now come to the next, southwest monsoon. So many times you have heard the name southwest monsoon. So what is this? So in the month of June to September, or you can say from the June to September, when the wind blows northward from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal, okay, so here two things is important. First is the month, it will starts from the June and continue till September. So during that period the wind blows from northward and it arises from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. So it blows from the oceanic high pressure. Oceanic high pressure means what? So these are the oceans, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. So these areas is considered as oceanic areas. So oceanic high pressure area towards the low pressure area. So the field area creates low pressure and the oceanic area creates high pressure. So the blowing of winds from high pressure area to low pressure area is known as southwestern monsoon. Like that, in case of northeast monsoon, the same thing will happen. When the winds blow from the month of October to November from the northeast region towards the seaside. So in the previous definition you noticed that the ocean is coming from, the wind is coming from the oceanic sides. Now the wind is moving towards the oceanic side from the field areas. So we can say northeast monsoon means the winds blow from October to November from the northeast region towards the seaside. It is known as northeast monsoon. It is also known as retreating monsoon. Is it clear? So northeast monsoon basically seen in the site of Western Ghat. So when the wind starts to move towards the ocean, it provides rain, huge amount of rain in the Western Ghat or in the Tamil Nadu or in the Madras areas. Okay, so a question may come that why the Tamil Nadu basically or the Western Ghat gets rainfall during the month of winter, because October and November is a winter season. So your answer will be the wind blow from northern east region to seaside and it is known as the northeast monsoon, which helps to create rainfall in the Western Ghat or in the Tamil Nadu. Clear? So these are the basic definitions. Now come to the regions. A number of regions, as I told you that why the Western Ghat always gets rainfall during the winter, like such kind of question may ask. A number of region may creates. So first region, that is the eastern coast, is frequently struck by cyclone. ओके ऐसे हम लोग हिंदी में अक्सर बोलते हैं कि उड़ीसा, आंध्र प्रदेश का जो एरिया होता है वो हमेशा साइक्लोन से टकराते रहता है, तो इसका क्या कारण है? सो लिसन केयरफुली, ईस्टर्न कोस्ट इज फ्रीक्वेंटली स्ट्रक बाय साइक्लोन. व्हाई इट हैपेंस? सो इसका मेन रीज़न ये है बेटा कि इन द मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर एंड नवंबर, that is a period of transition from hot to rainy season या hot rainy season to dry winter conditions. Clear? Listen once again. The month of October and November are a period of transition from hot rainy season to dry winter season. Means we are moving towards the cold season or winter season. So during that period, what happens? So half of the October, the mercury begins to fall at a rapid speed. Okay, so temperature starts to fall nearly after 15th of October at a very faster rates. As a result, it creates low pressure conditions. Okay, so due to hot season in the North India, it causes cyclonic depression in the Andaman Sea. So this is the main reason of cyclone. Now come to the next question. Rainfall is concentrated over a few months. Means in our country, why it is considered that July to September is a rainy season? So here the question is that rainfall is concerned over a few months. What are the reasons? So our answer will be, it begins from the month of June to September. So during these 4 months, the rain bearing winds, that is called the southwest monsoon, or it is also known as blew northwards in 2 branches from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. So these winds blow from the oceanic high pressure areas towards the low pressure areas of the land and make a heavy rainfall. Clear? So conclusion is that there are 2 winds, that is the southwest monsoon and blew northwards monsoon, arises from the 2 seas and it travels from high pressure areas to lower pressure areas and creates heavy rainfall. And after getting the more pressure, when the pressure will starts to rise, automatically the fall of the water or the movement of the wind starts to decline. Now come to the low rainfall in the western Rajasthan. So as we know that Rajasthan is considered as a desert and the name of the desert is Thar Desert. So a question may come, why the Thar Desert contains very low rainfall? So it is because there is no relief, no obstruction to check the Arabian Sea or to control the Arabian Sea branch of the monsoon. Point number 1. Second, the Aravalli Hills lie parallel to the direction of the monsoon. As such, the monsoon bypass Rajasthan without giving any rain. Okay, so in this way we can say that these are the regions and some more regions are also available. So in the next video you will find, and some question answer you will have to solve yourself, but I will give you the perfect ideas why such situation creates. Okay.